Training cats is not just an engaging process but also a true art that requires patience, the right approach, and a deep understanding of feline psychology. These graceful and independent creatures are often perceived as completely untrainable, but in reality, this is nothing more than a common myth. Cats can remember commands, adapt to daily routines, and even perform various tricks if properly motivated. However, to achieve success, it's essential to consider their unique characteristics and use effective training techniques. Why does cat training seem difficult? Many cat owners struggle with training their pets and quickly conclude that it's impossible. The main reason lies in the fundamental differences between cats and dogs. While dogs have evolved over thousands of years in close cooperation with humans, following commands and working in groups, cats have historically been solitary hunters focused on independent survival. Unlike dogs, cats do not see humans as pack leaders and are not programmed for unconditional obedience. However, this does not mean they cannot learn. They adapt well to their environment, remember sequences of actions, and can even complete complex tasks, provided they see a benefit for themselves. Key principles of cat training. Success in cat training depends on several key factors. Positive reinforcement. Cats do not respond to punishment in the same way that dogs do. While a dog might understand that punishment is a consequence of its behavior, a cat is more likely to simply start fearing and avoiding its owner. That's why cat training is based entirely on positive reinforcement: treats, praise, petting, and even playtime. Individual approach. Every cat is different. Some have a high level of curiosity and activity, while others are more cautious and distrustful. There is no universal training method. It's important to observe your pet and tailor the training process to their personality. Short training sessions. Patience is one of the key factors in successful training. Unlike dogs, which can train for extended periods, cats quickly lose interest. The optimal training session lasts 5 to 10 minutes. If a cat starts getting distracted or showing signs of fatigue, yawning, walking away, reduced activity, it's best to stop and try again later. Use of sound signals. One effective training method is using marker signals, such as snapping fingers, clapping hands, or a special clicker, a small device that makes a distinct sound. Over time, the cat will associate this sound with a reward and understand what is expected of it more quickly. Choosing the right time. The best time for training is when the cat is active and engaged, such as before feeding when it's slightly hungry but not irritated. If you try to train a cat while it's resting, it will simply ignore the session. What tricks can a cat learn? Although you shouldn't expect cats to perform complex circus tricks, there are several commands and actions they can successfully learn. Coming when called, a cat can get used to its name and respond to it, especially if it is associated with something pleasant, food or affection. Sitting on command. With the help of treats, a cat can learn to sit when prompted. Giving a paw. Some cats easily master this trick when gradually trained to touch the owner's hand with their paw. Walking on command. A cat can follow a hand holding a treat, which helps guide its movements. Jumping through a hoop. This trick takes more time, but with patience and regular practice, a cat can learn it. Using a scratching post. One of the most useful skills that prevents damage to furniture. Can you train an adult cat? Absolutely. While kittens learn faster, adult cats can also remember commands. The main difference is that they may be harder to motivate because they have already developed their habits. However, with the right approach and patience, even an older cat can learn basic skills. How to avoid mistakes in cat training. Never use force or punishment. This only causes stress and worsens the cat's relationship with its owner. Don't rush the process. Cats learn slowly, so expecting instant results is unrealistic. Avoid training during sleep or after meals. A full and sleepy cat won't be interested in learning. Always reward progress. Even small achievements should be reinforced with praise or treats. The benefits of training for cats and owners. Beyond being a fun activity, training improves a cat's quality of life. It provides mental stimulation, prevents boredom, and can even reduce destructive behavior. For the owner, it's a great way to strengthen the bond with their pet and make life together more harmonious and enjoyable. Conclusion. In summary, cat training is not a myth but a real opportunity to build a better relationship with your pet and teach them valuable skills. The key is to consider the cat's personality, be patient, and always use positive reinforcement. If done correctly, your cat won't just learn commands, it might even become a true superstar among household pets.